everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Mechanical Keyboard Reviews. Number 5. Corsair K68. Accidents, so your game never stops. Every key press registers correctly. Stay focused and prevent accidental windows. High performance gaming experience. TOM weight 3.02 pounds. Software CD not included with the product. Number 4. Red Ragger K552. Custom mechanical switches. Ultimate gaming performance. Double shot injection molded keycaps. Red LED adjustable lighting. Metal and ABS construction. 87 standard conflict-free keys. Number 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Lightweight and rugged durability. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro. Utilize the 19's own light edge. 6 dedicated macro keys. Dynamic multicolor key backlighting. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex M750. Intuitive per key RGB lighting customization. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Real-time Discord in-game lighting notifications. Featuring ultra-fast QX2 mechanical switches. Stored on board for on-the-go use. Reactive illumination to in-game events like low ammo. Number 1. Razer Ornator Chroma. A crisp, tactile mechanical brick. Mecha, membrane keys. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest. 10 key, rollover anti-ghosting. Custom designed keycaps for quicker actuation.